Morning. So those saw my video of analysis of NasDaq last week, they know what I told them when the market was here. So the market broke here and it came and retest. So the market was about to retest. I told them that if you can buy here from this uptrend, this is just level 1, then level 2, then level 3. Meaning on level 2 and level 3, you could have made a lot of money from this. Level 1, then come and retest. Level 2, come again. Level 3. So you could have made a lot of money. So those who saw this video that I posted last week, they made a lot of money from here. So what I can tell you from now on, if you want to make money from NasDaq, where it is, this is a preview, guys. So if you want to make money on NasDaq from where it is now, you just need to wait for the market to come and retest this line and continue to go on the upper side. Or if they ever decide on breaking on the downside, wait for them to come and retest, and then they will continue going on the downside. If they don't break this line, this red line, if they don't break it, this is a 4-hour time frame, by the way. So if they don't break this trend line, just know they're gonna continue going up. So they will just come and retest, go up, retest, go up. But if they break this trend line, then they must come and retest and then shoot down. That is when you can take a trade, guys. There are two things that you're expecting. The first thing, we're expecting the market to come and retest this trend line. Let me just open it in a way that you can see. So this is a trend line. The market comes and retest, go retest again, go retest, they continue going up. Now what you can expect from here, they will continue to go on the upside, or they will come and break this trend line, and then they will come and retest it, and then you take a sell. Where do you take a sell? You will take a sell here. You take a sell there. It's very easy to analyze NasDaq. You just put trend line and follow the market behavior. Put a trend line and follow the market behavior. That's it. There is nothing more. Trading NasDaq, guys, is easy. You just follow the what? Follow you follow the market direction from your own trend line. And also, okay, here are the most important parts. 4-hour time frame all the time, trend line all the time, wait for a break or a retest. So this is a break and this is a retest. This is a retest and this is a break. So this is a break, this is a break. They broke where? They broke here. Do you see that? Where did they retest? They retested here. Did you see that? So this was a retest. You take a buy. This is a break. You take a sell. But before you take a sell on the break, you wait for this retest. You wait for this retest. Then you take a sell here after the retest. It's very easy, guys. When you want to analyze in NasDaq, it's very easy. You just make sure that you understand your trend, and you understand that you need to use a bigger time frame. You look at the bigger picture. So what I do, most of the time, I just zoom out and look at everything from a distance. I know that when I'm looking at it from here. And now, by the way, we are expecting the market to reverse a little bit. Why? Because we are on the what? On the resistance zone. We are on the resistance zone. So this might happen. This drop, it might happen. It might happen. It makes a lot of sense. It might happen. So guys, anyways, the market has been going up for quite some time now. They've been going up. First level, as you know, we count levels. There must be 3 levels, 1, 2, and 3. So we are expecting a reversal, since this is what is the reversal area. This is the reversal area. Since there is a previous what? There is a previous resistance here. So they might be retesting it, and then they must come back down and shoot down. So yeah, it's very easy analysis. You can make something out of this, guys. You can make something out of this. That is why if you like my videos, guys, make sure that you click that subscribe button, and you also click the like button, so that we share this video to a lot of people all around the world. When you click that subscribe button, you are making sure that when I drop a video, you get a notification at the same time. You're not going to miss anything. You're not going to miss any of my videos. Even when I go live, you'll be there. So yeah, guys, make sure you click that subscribe button. Let's keep supporting the channel, and we keep growing as we go forward. I'm gonna keep on sharing this information because I'm not gonna hide anything. There's nothing to hide here. We need to share the information so that we all make money. We are here to make money. So guys, take care for now, and make sure. Okay. Before I can even go, guys, I wanted to show something. There's this pair which I love, which is gold. There is this pair which I love, which is gold. Ignore the robot, and ignore everything there. We just focus on the chart. Focus on the chart. By the way, if you want the robot, make sure that you contact me. Look at my other videos about the robot, and you find my contact number and contact me. But anyways, wanted to show something about the gold. Let me just open the 4-hour chart. This is a market preview, guys. This is a market preview. Very easy. Very easy. So what I wanted to show you guys here, it's on a daily chart. Let me just zoom in on the daily chart. Look at this. There is a trend line. It's not even clear. Let me just put it here. Let me just remove everything here. So that I want you to see something, guys. What we're expecting this week is very interesting. Look at this trend line. It's coming from up there. It passes there, passes there. Look at this. So the trend line, it has been broken here. Let me just mark where it has been broken. Guys, this is a preview market analysis. Oh, it keeps moving. Now, this is where the trend line was broken, right? And then the market went up, right? Now, we need to mark two things which they form a W, which is, some call it a double bottom. This is the double bottom, right? It confirms what? A buy. And this was after 3 drops. 1, 2, and 3. Always 3 drops. All the time. Always remember that the market will drop or go up 3 times. Now this is the first drop, the second drop, and the third drop. Then the market creates a downward rejection, and then they continue on the upside. Now this is what we're expecting on gold. This is what we're expecting on gold. On gold, we're expecting the market to come and retest and then shoot up. The market must come and retest, test if this line is strong, and then they must shoot up. Where do we buy? We buy somewhere here. We buy somewhere there. So on the retest, after you see the retest completing down here, when the retest completes, that's where you take your buy. So this is a pure signal, guys. If you can follow these 2 pairs, NasdaQ and gold, you are going to make a lot of money. I'm telling you, you are going to make a lot of money. It's very easy. By the way, if you like these videos, guys, let's make sure that we click that like button and click that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed into the channel, so that you can continue getting this type of videos, guys. I'm gonna make them, a lot of them, because I know that I've got a lot to give. So I'm gonna give you guys this free information. By the way, you know this is free information. You're not paying anything. All you need to do, click that subscribe button and just help the channel grow, so that I can keep sharing. It gives me energy to keep sharing. That's how it is. So, but anyways, yeah, that's the information, guys. And if you like to get the robot to trade for you, make sure that you message me on the number that you can see on the screen. Message me, send me a message, and we will communicate, and we will see how we can be helped. From there, take care, guys. Love you for now. Cheers.